Welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring the heating function of Saturn IV Ultra 16K. To get started, open the top cover of the printer and pour in the resin. Next, power on the printer and insert the USB drive. Allow the printer to complete its self-inspection. Once that's done, navigate to the touchscreen and select Print USB File and hit Print. As we begin, note that the current room temperature is around 10 degrees Celsius, and the heating function of the resin tank is not yet activated. Unfortunately, this low temperature causes our first print to fail. To resolve this issue, go to Settings, Accessibility Features, Tank Heating, and we activated the heating function. Enabling this feature allows the resin tank to heat up to 30 degrees Celsius before printing. Let's try printing the model again. After preparation, the resin tank heats up to 30 degrees Celsius. Once it reaches the optimal temperature, the printer begins printing the model. Additionally, you can also activate the resin preheating function within the accessibility features. By this feature, the resin tank will maintain a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. By following these steps, you can effectively achieve successful prints, even in low temperature environments. That's the video for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our official YouTube channel. Happy printing and bye-bye!